Namaskar friends. Today I want to discuss about moringa. This is the moringa leaves. The moringa leaves are having excellent health benefits. This is a native of India, and in India people are using these drumsticks as a food, but only some people will know about the medicinal value and nutritive value of this moringa leaves. Moringa leaves are excellent in nutritive value. Apart from it has some substances, it will help health issues. Moringa leaves you can consume as it is fresh. Such old leaves are somewhat bitter. The tender leaves, such a tender leaves are somewhat sweetish and bitter mixed taste. You can consume as it is. Always fresh leaves are better. Some people will make a powder and consume. You can consume in a different ways. Some people will drink a decoction, smoothie, whatever way. Once you boil, some of the important ingredients may lose. So to avoid that loss of vitamin C, etc., some of other medicinal value, better to consume fresh moringa leaves. The next best is powder. Now, what is the composition of moringa leaves? Moringa leaves contains 75.9% moisture, 6.7% protein, 1.7% fat, 2.3% minerals, 0.9% fiber, 12.5% carbohydrates. This is good in protein, 6.7% comparable with curry leaves. Coming to minerals, moringa leaves are rich in calcium, 450 milligrams it contains, phosphorus 70 milligrams, iron 0.85 milligrams, carotene 6780 micrograms, B1 or thiamine 0.06 milligrams, B2 or riboflavin 0.05 milligrams, niacin 0.5 milligrams, vitamin C 220 milligrams, magnesium 42 milligrams, potassium 259 milligrams. This moringa leaves and roots and bark all are having some medicinal properties, were used in Ayurveda medication in India. So these leaves are very good for eye, skin, hair, heart, brain. Particularly, how much we have to consume per day? 5 to 10 grams of leaves per day. If anybody is suffering from insomnia or sleeplessness, take few leaves, add to boiled water, stop boiling, then brew it for 15 minutes. Drink such water before going to the bed, so you will get good sleep. So this will have some typical protein substances. It will lower your blood sugar. And moringa leaves has some anti-cancer substance. It is niacinamide. It prevents growth of cancer cell. But if you use moringa leaves after chemotherapy, the cumulative effect will excellently prevent cancer cell growth, preferably pancreatic cancer. These leaves are rich in antioxidants, so it will help all health issues including brain. It reduces cholesterol. If somebody is suffering from arthritis and bone damage, this will help. So high BP people also, they can use comfortably for BP reduction. It contains niacinamide and isothiocyanate. This will reduce the BP. So because of over medication, if anybody's liver is damaged, this moringa leaves or latex or any form of moringa leaves will work better. This moringa works excellently for alimentary system. So if somebody is suffering from stomach ulcers or ulcerative colitis, this works better. These moringa leaves will reduce asthma, edema, helps wound healing, and anemia. Whoever is suffering from anemia, this works better. So nowadays everybody is interested in losing weight. These moringa leaves will contribute for weight reduction. So there are so many advantages of taking moringa leaves in every day with our meal or raw leaves as it is. But some people, it is not advocated. For pregnant women, it is not advisable. For breastfeeding mothers also, it is not advisable. Diabetic and BP patients and thyroid patients, along with their regular medication, if they take moringa leaves, they have to observe their levels, because it will lower down the BP and blood sugar also. Along with medication, if they take, it may bring down levels. That's why they should be cautious and watch when they take these moringa leaves. So this moringa helps as a tonic to the brain, and it is considered as a sex tonic also. So there are more advantages of moringa, but only pregnant and lactating mothers, they should not take. So I have discussed some of the points about moringa. Thank you for watching this video. Namaskar.